Hi, it's Adele from Get Gorgeous. I'm here on my Pilates retreat and I have Dave with me, and I just want to ask him a few questions about the retreat. Now, I know that you're a really widespread traveller, but have you ever done a retreat before?
Just one.
Have you?
Yeah, in Portugal.
Oh,
yeah,
and how did it compare with this one?
Different. This has been much more peaceful, serene.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, we've been discussing this morning. Is it the place which seems to have a certain magic, or is it the group dynamic? I don't know, but it's been very, very restful, which is great.
That's fantastic, thank you. So the group dynamic worked for you? Because
Definitely.
That's good, because
yeah.
you were the only chap. Was that daunting?
No, funny enough, the one I went to in Portugal was exactly the same. 11
Right.
females and one guy.
And you weren't put off by that?
No, not the least.
Good.
No, and I don't
Good.
like competition.
No. Fantastic. Oh, that's really good. So in terms of the Pilates practice, did you enjoy the Pilates?
Yes, great, yes. Outdoors especially, of course. Makes
good.
a little bit of warmth. Yeah, different altogether.
Brilliant.
Feels much more natural.
Oh, good. I'm glad you enjoyed that. So before you came, did you have any expectations about the retreat with me? Did you have anything that you wanted to get from it, or?
The chance to do Pilates every day was a great idea, because I'm only once a week back in the UK.
Yeah.
But it was the R&R as well, the quiet, the peace, the no demands. So it was the whole thing, the recharge, if you will.
Yeah. Great word. Okay, so that's what you were expecting. Did the retreat meet your expectations?
Absolutely. I mean, we've just been talking about it while we've been sorting out breakfast in there. Yeah. Much more than the last one I was on, and I can't put my finger on it.
Wow.
But I think it must be the package.
Yeah.
I think there's maybe something special about this location as well.
Good.
But I don't think I've heard a crossword all week.
No.
Or anything, so it's been good fun. I mean, my goodness, we've had some laughs.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, I know what you mean about the location, because we're in the middle of the hills, aren't we? There's nothing here.
No.
You've been up doing your early morning walk, so you've got enough exercise.
Yeah, sure. I would have got stir crazy probably without those, but that's available. So
but that's a really good comment, because people that want to go away from sites and need that, because you went away for a whole day, didn't you? Went off to the village and
visited the market and investigated the back streets and the little bars, and that's good. Yeah, and it's not. It's half an hour's walk, which is good. But
great.
Yeah, it was lovely. I enjoyed that.
Fantastic. So, if someone was nervous about coming on a retreat with me, what would you say to them?
Don't be.
Don't be.
I mean, I think I was surprised actually, because there's some no names, no backdoor, but I mean, there's a couple of very successful ladies here who. You wouldn't, if you were to hear about them, you wouldn't expect them to be nervous, who were.
Yes.
But it didn't last long, and it's fascinating to watch people change over just a
Yes.
day or two. And then within no time, everybody seems to be old mates, which is great.
Good. Well, I wouldn't say I worked hard, but I worked with the dynamic to try and make sure that everybody got to know everybody's core, so we knew that we were all on the same sheet.
I think there's a certain magic about eating meals together as well. There's nothing like it for bonding somehow.
Yes.
It always seems to work in any circumstance.
So quickly tell me what you thought about the food.
Fabulous. And absolutely, no, joking apart. The last one I went on was vegetarian, but this one, the food has been 110%. I mean, to be joking, I've been reading Katie's cookery books, and I will get no bullshit. Can I say that?
Yes, we have.
I hope to get a lifelong benefit, because I really don't know how to do the proper food, and I think I will.
Lifelong benefit.
Yeah, seriously.
Incredible.
Yeah, I will. Yeah,
I've just got one last question.
Sure.
Self-care for women is really hard. I mean, how do you feel about self-care? Is it something that you invest in? Is it something that's a priority for you?
What do you mean by self-care? Do you mean?
Well, looking after yourself, rest and relaxation.
Yeah. I mean, I do. I mean, I don't want to be old and decrepit.
No.
So I want to be.
Exactly.
Yeah. I don't. Let's not get too deep. I don't care how old I get, but there's no fun if you're not with it and able, and
You've hit the nail on the head.
Yeah.
It's the investment in yourself, isn't
Absolutely.
it?
Yeah, it is, and
fantastic.
It's worth it. And I mean, and if vegetarian food can be this good, go for it. Without question.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Dave.
Good.
You've been
Enjoyed
a
it.
superstar.
Lovely.
Thank you.